Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, gagawa tayo ng banana turon with jackfruit. This is a very famous street food snack in the Philippines, in any part of the Philippines. Ito yung very common na kinakain namin like in the middle of the afternoon. Ito yung kakailanganin natin. We need bananas, jackfruit, brown sugar, a little bit of water para i-seal yung lumpia wrapper natin. Yeah, we got spring roll wrapper here. So, yeah, umpisahan na natin.
What is it?
Jackfruit. I always put jackfruit in mine.
Can I eat a piece?
Of course, you can try it. Spoiler alert. This jackfruit, she put it before it get really ripe, so it's not very soft. I'll give you a good part. But this is not the best jackfruit I've seen in a jar.
Oh, it came out of a jar?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you bought one at the Asian store.
Oh, no. The jar is from the Asian store. That's where I bought it. So, very easy lang yung process. We get one lumpia wrapper or egg spring roll wrapper, and we put half of the banana. And then we put a little bit pieces of jackfruits or langka. And we're also gonna put brown sugar in the top of the jackfruit. So, ganyan lang gawin natin. Honestly, I'm not expert in doing this kasi hindi naman talaga ako masyadong nagluluto. I don't do this a lot. Actually, I only do this once in a while kapag na-miss ko kumain ng banana turon. So, hindi talaga ako expert, especially sa pagbabalot nito. But I tried. I'll try my best to wrap this kasi hindi talaga ako masyadong maano nito. So, yan. Balutin natin. We'll put water to seal it. Yan lang siya. That's how I do mine. So, yeah. We got one. We got one done. So, we're gonna do the same until we get all our bananas wrapped. So, yun lang. Madali lang. Sobrang dali lang gawin ito, guys. How could I can't do this? The first one was the good one. So we finished wrapping all the bananas. We got 12 of them. We're just gonna fry it until it get golden brown both sides. So ayan, luto na siya. Perfectly golden brown. I-drain nyo lang yung oil kung ayaw nyo yung kainin ito na too oily. It's so good. Sobrang sarap niya, guys. Craving satisfied. It's not too sweet because I didn't put caramelized sugar in the top of it. But it's so good. It's good. I mean, yeah, this is usually the kind of snack that I eat in the we usually eat in the Philippines. Yeah, so good. Just put a little bit jackfruit in it and make it sweet and a little bit sugar inside it. It's really good. I might make it more often now. And it's so crispy. It's very crispy. So, yung second batch ng aking banana turon, tinry ko lagyan ng brown sugar. What do you call it? Like caramelized. Kaya medyo na, ano siya, medyo nasunog yata. Pero sabi ni husband, it's not burn and it tastes better because it's, maybe he likes, like it's more sweet, like sweeter. But me, I prefer the one without the sugar because I don't really like, I mean, not without the caramelized sugar because I don't really like it when it's too sweet. So, yan ang aking banana turon na ginawa today. This one looks so ugly, but my husband said it tastes better. So, he's probably gonna eat more of that and probably gonna eat this. I'm still gonna eat some of this. So, yan lang guys. I'm ginawa nating snack, Filipino snack na na-miss kong kainin. So, yan ang ating finished product. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.